Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into alpha state of mind. The alpha brainwave state is a powerful mental condition that promotes deep relaxation and heightened focus. It's often associated with meditation and creative thinking, acting as a bridge between our conscious and subconscious minds. Understanding how to access this state can significantly improve your overall well-being and cognitive performance. We'll explore simple yet effective techniques to help you achieve it. One of the most effective ways to enter an alpha state is through controlled breathing. Try deep, diaphragmatic breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling gently through your mouth. Another powerful tool is guided meditation. Find a quiet space and follow a meditation track for 10 to 15 minutes. Additionally, listening to binaural beats, specifically those in the 8 to 12 Hz range, can help entrain your brainwaves to the alpha frequency. To deepen your alpha experience, incorporate visualization. Imagine a serene landscape or focus on positive affirmations, allowing your mind to relax. Creating a calm environment is also crucial. Reduce noise and dim the lights to minimize external distractions. Furthermore, integrating mindfulness into your daily routine by paying full attention to simple tasks can help maintain that relaxed, focused state even when you're not actively meditating. Regularly accessing the alpha state offers numerous benefits, including significantly reduced stress levels and enhanced creativity. You'll also notice improvements in your problem-solving abilities and an increased capacity for learning new information. It's a fantastic way to boost both your mental and emotional well-being. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.